Settle the AP. Mount it on the gypsum board ceiling using a 7mm mounting bracket. Before installing an AP, check the type and specifications of the installation scenario to determine the installation method and required materials. This video provides instructions on how to mount an AP on a gypsum board using hollow wall anchors. Prepare appropriate tools and protective gear before installation, as the installation position may be high. Only experts wearing protective gear can perform installation. You need to prepare a 7mm mounting bracket and hollow wall anchors. The hollow wall anchors need to be purchased separately. After determining a proper installation position, drill a hole on the gypsum board from the top to the bottom for the Ethernet cable to pass through. The position of this hole is a reference for you. To locate the position for installing the AP, place the mounting bracket against the plasterboard and ensure that the up arrow points to the hole. Mark the positions for drilling holes for expansion screws using a marker. The holes should correspond to group H holes on the mounting bracket. Drill holes on the ceiling from bottom to top using a hand-held electric drill. Ensure that the hole diameters are not too large and just sufficient for the expansion bolts of the hollow wall anchors. Use a hollow wall anchor gun to secure the expansion bolts to the paper gypsum board and remove the screws from the expansion bolts. Install the 7mm mounting bracket and secure it to the gypsum board. Connect cables to the corresponding ports on the AP as required. Clamp the AP on the mounting bracket. Ensure that the four rubber feet on the rear of the AP fit into the mounting holes. Slide the AP slowly. When you hear a click sound from the release lever, the AP is properly installed. Check the installation and request qualified commissioning personnel to power on and commission the AP.